This is Jesse from Jaspy's Hockeyland, and we are doing a 2015-16 Upper Deck Premier Hockey one-box break. This is break number 14 in this series. And Daniel P. has come through with every single spot, so there will be no randomization, except that we have two boxes. So we have to decide which one we're going to do. So we're going to flip a coin. Here we go. So we're going to flip a US 50-cent half dollar. I'm going to say, let's do, this is heads, this is tails. All right, let's flip it. Tails, I don't know why I flipped two coins, but they're both tails, so we'll go with this one. All right. Good luck, Daniel. Also, wait, there's supposed to be a, you're supposed to get a pack with this too, I think, right? World Cup of Hockey pack. Right there. And we're not going to have to randomize this either. It's going straight to Daniel. All right. Also, Daniel, remind me, if you want me to open your pack during the break, I can too. It's up to you. Or I can send it to you sealed. All right, here we go. I feel like this pack reminds me of like those dehydrated food rations that you can buy. This is so thick. I don't want to give away. I don't want to give anything away yet, so. All right, I'll open the Upper Deck pack after we see what we get here. So I can see a relic on top. Right away, we get a rookie relic, Brady Skjei. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that, from the Rangers. Very nice card. Single color patch, but look at that fabric. Straight from the jersey. And then we have a numbered card. Henrik Samuelsson. I've seen a lot of Henrik. Arizona Coyotes. Numbered card to 399. That's 36 out of 399. Numbered rookie. Pretty sick. Pretty sick hit. All right. And then we have another numbered card. 193 out of 399. Pekka Rinne. Or Pekka Rinne? I think it's Rinne. From Nashville Predators. All the statistics back there. Thing I love about Premier is every single card is a hit. It's just a matter of how hit it is. And this one looks like it is hit. This is a trifecta. This is a quadfecta, ladies and gentlemen. Quadfecta. Autograph, relic, rookie, and numbered. 233 out of 375. Colton Parayko. What is that, from the Blues? Yeah, from the Blues. St. Louis Blues. This is a 3-color patch. 4 if you count the... actually, it is 4 colors. This is a 4-color patch. Very nice hit. I might actually put this one on Twitter, if you don't mind, Daniel. The quadfecta always feels good to open one of those. And then we have a triple relic. One of them is 3-color, one of them is single color, and one of them is 2-color patches. This is a card numbered to 10. Very nice. 7 out of 10. Defense, right wing, and center. Dustin Byfuglian, Blake Wheeler, and Mark Scheifele. And these guys are from the Winnipeg Jets. 2 really big relic cards for you so far, Daniel. This one's pretty gorgeous with the gold foil. Very low number too. It's awesome. Nice, dude. I think we flipped for the right pack, for the right box on that one. There we are. And then we have another low numbered card, 6 out of 15 autograph, Premier Rookie. So this is a trifecta, no relic. You got the autograph, the low number, and this is Jacob Slavin from the Hurricanes. My autograph is right on the card too. Look at that. Very nice. And then our final card from the box is another numbered card, 171 out of 199, single color patch relic. Pekka Rinne again. Pekka Rinne. I hope you like Pekka Rinne because you got 2 of them. Nashville Predators. There you go. So that is the box of Premier. We're going to open the Upper Deck World Cup Hockey 2016 pack. That product is going to be coming to us in break format very soon. So we will have boxes of that soon, I hear, in the month of November. All right, so let's open. I don't think I've opened one of these yet. Let's see what we got in here. World Cup. Here we go. Jonathan Toews from Canada. Ben Bishop from USA. Nikita Kucherov from Russia. Look at that guy. Looks like a mean guy. Wouldn't want to fight him on the ice or off. Patrick Kane from the US. And finally, Johnny Gaudreau from North America. I think that might mean Canada. I'm not sure. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2016 Premier Upper Deck break for Daniel P. Thank you so much, Daniel. And we will see you all soon on Jaspy's Hockeyland.